Yeah, if we
Yes,
can
yes.
hear you and we
Mm-hmm.
can see your chart. So, how do you like your new nickname?
My nickname, my new
Yeah,
nickname.
Queen. Yeah,
You
Queen.
know, the wolf wave.
Queen of the
I
Wolf
think
Wave,
it's a
Larry.
little bit ambitious, but
Yeah.
it's okay
Oh,
if you want to
yeah.
call me like that.
Oh, come on. You're our queen of Wolf Wave. So at the minimum, you're ours. So,
Oh my
you know,
God.
yeah, it's great to have you back, Alba. You know, normally when you and I get
Thanks.
together, there's some type of, you know, turning
Crush,
point
little
about to
crush.
happen. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
tell us what you're seeing.
Okay. I have prepared here, first of all, your indexes. This is the S&P, and then we will see the Dow Jones.
Okay.
And I want to make a top-down analysis beginning in weekly,
Okay.
because I don't know if you remember the last time we talked, or the previous one, I don't remember which one. We talked about a pattern which is called bump and run reversal, which is found only in higher charts, in daily, weekly, and monthly. And we work bump and run reversal in daily, and now it has developed this figure in weekly. This figure is a reversal pattern, and it forms after excessive speculation drives price up too far and too fast. Okay,
Yep.
so we have to wait for the breakout of this trend line. Okay,
All
it's
right.
formed by two trend lines, and the key in this figure, in this pattern, are the degrees of these two lines. The first line is called the leading, and it has to have between 30 to 45 degrees. You have a tool in MetaTrader, at least, that you can.
Okay, so you were eyeballing it, and it was still 40. You had it close to 45. How do you select the points? Because you know that line goes through some action, and they're not just wicks. How do you choose where to anchor a line like that? All of your lines.
I follow the the price when it closes.
Yeah.
The bodies of the candle. Someone took the finish of the shadows, but I take the bodies of the candles.
Okay.
So I join them more or less like that.
Okay.
And the same here.
Okay.
And I have a figure here, which is the bump and run reversal, what I'm talking about. If you see it, just check this bounce here when it
Interesting.
It tries to break it and then goes up. So I think it is happening here like this. You see in daily better. Now we'll go daily like this one. Okay, this bounce. And
Okay.
now I'm expecting it to make lower highs below 3,362, lower highs below that
Okay.
point.
So any
There.
pop this week, if we made new highs, would invalidate this?
Yes, here
Okay.
there is well, the resistance or the previous highs.
Right. 33,
We can,
35 about.
if somebody is going long,
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable buying now. But if somebody is going long, I will wait for the breakout and then to bounce here, to test the price, the breakout, and then bounce to buy. Now it's
Okay.
not, I'm not comfortable with shorts. Shorts are risky, but even less with longs, because we have a very divergence here in daily right now.
Yeah.
With
That's
MACD, with
yeah.
other oscillators.
Glaring.
And I'm waiting, yeah, and I'm waiting for that lower high, for some pattern to have the trigger to enter short. And right now I don't have it, but we have all the patterns, all the exhausting figures form, and now just the price rules. So
Okay.
I'm
So do
waiting for that.
you need a breakdown before you can plot your wolf waves?
Yes.
Okay.
For example, this one is the exponential moving average in 4 hours, which conclude normally with the simple moving average 200 in 1 hour.
Okay.
And it has bounced in this moving average. So at least I need to break it down to be more comfortable with shorts. I can combine it with Fibonacci, but I don't like it a lot because it's, I don't have any burst pattern of candles. So I'm waiting for this area to break the prices to open shorts and be more comfortable with shorts, because right now we don't have any burst pattern to have a trigger, you know, to
Right.
short.
Okay. So you still need
But,
confirmation of this.
Yes.
And you would get
And
it
in Dow
under that.
Jones,
You'd get it under the low. I believe that low was, when was it? Friday? Yeah.
mhm.
Okay. Got it.
But in Dow Jones, the patterns are very similar in weekly and so, but the only wolf wave, the very wolf wave we have is in Dow Jones index in daily and 4 hours. But this area is very important. And I need the price to go below this point, 0.5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. The wolf waves are composed by 5 points. 0.5 is the maximum, and the price shouldn't overpass this point. I was stopped out here, and then I entered again. But this area is the key. It has to break this moving average, is the 50 moving average in daily. And once it breaks or makes, again, lower high below 29,000, I think it's good to try risky shorts,
Okay.
A great risk-reward relationship, but they are risky right now. So.
Okay.
And I want to see some Forex, some pairs. First of all, I want to see USD yen because it goes more with the indexes, the two indexes, your indexes, Wall Street.
Right.
And in weekly, it has this figure, this triangle, and this very straight line.
Descending triangle.
Yeah, that it's not overpassing, it's rejecting it again. And now if we open daily chart, it's a kind of, I don't know, it's consolidation over here, like a resistance. I'm looking again to open shorts if the price goes below the 50 moving average in daily for USD.
Where's the 50 come in?
Here.
Price-wise.
109.20.
109.20.
Lower high. Yeah, any lower high.
Okay.
Over here, you see this resistance?
Yes.
It's born from the 0.5 of this wolf wave.
Right.
And it has the price has respected.
Yeah, it had a false breakout.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bullish trap.
Yeah.
And then the price went down, and now it's now rejected. It's not overpassing. So this is my view. Open longs if the USD yen overpass this, it's very streamlined. Otherwise, I will not be comfortable with longs in this pair. And shorts if the price respects this resistance where the price is right now, more or less this area.
If you get sell signals, you already have projections for downside potential?
Yeah. For example, in USD yen, the swing can be on until here to the support.
All the way back down to the triangle. Yeah.
But I will combine it with Fibonacci. If it does it, for example, I will throw a Fibonacci here.
Yeah, I'm looking for 61.8, which is about, I don't know, 106.80. Oh, I see. You're doing fibs on that wave. Okay.
Yeah. For example, if the price do it like that, for example, my
I'm doing fibs from the low at 104.70 and the high at 110.30, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. The
Okay.
key is to project all the previous fall from the point when rejects the price. You take this,
Right.
this fall, and then you project it from here or from here, from where it rejects. Okay, that's how I can get the projections.
Okay, and those vertical boxes are, they measure a range, and then it's almost like adding or subtracting that range to get the next move or target. Is that correct?
Maybe. I'm not sure about
maybe.
Right now, I'm not sure about anything because I've been stopped out twice.
Well, I'm just saying your
complicated.
your vertical boxes measure a range, and then it seems like when it takes out that range, you just add or subtract that vertical box for the next target. Maybe that's right.
That's it.
Maybe? Okay. All right. You'll only give me a maybe.
If the price does it.
I'm not going to call you queen anymore. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right. See? All right.
Okay. And
Swiss.
last times we saw different pairs of Forex, and I think we never talked about the Swiss franc, which is a European coin, and the movements are similar to the euro, but there are differences because the Swiss franc is very intervened by the Swiss bank, and the movements are more controlled. But now I think I have here interesting figures with this pair, the USD, the dollar against the Swiss franc. We have here a bullish divergence. Normally, after bullish divergence, I like to combine it with that Fibonacci I told you. But this time, I'm going to draw here. This time, the price didn't bounce in Fibonacci levels, and it made
double bottom.
Like a double bottom, yes.
Yeah.
And this is the projection of the double bottom. I think the price can make a change in the trend. It's consolidating here. It's a great support here. The bullish divergence can be seen in daily chart also. And the projection will be
around
more or less in 2000 simple moving average over here, which is a great resistance, 0.987 to more or less. The movement is about 100 pips, so it's a good swing. And by correlation, we have the other figure, the Swiss franc versus the yen. And if the Swiss franc goes down, the pairs against Swiss franc goes up. So we had USD Swiss franc going up. Now we have the Swiss franc against yen pattern, a wolf wave. This is a bearish wolf wave that is bearish. So I have here.
So it completed that was a completed wolf wave count up there.
Yeah, and if I combine it with Fibonacci. Now, yes, I can do it because the price has the low. We have the Fibonacci projection over here, more or less. So this is another swing, and we can take partial benefits. This is bigger. This is almost 400 pips. So we can take personal benefits in all this path. And if the price goes up and make lower highs below 0.5, it's again good for shorts. Okay,
nice look.
And the euro dollar, I saw your colleague talk about it. I have here the weekly chart.
Okay.
And this for me is the most important thing. The 50 exponential moving average in weekly has rejected, and now These are the two targets of the Beres wolf wave. This is a huge Beres wolf wave if completed, and normally when the price reaches target 2, it's a good point to have a bounce. It has made it, but it doesn't break the exponential moving average. So maybe this area, the 0.5 in this wolf wave, is very strong, and maybe it
may hold.
like a
So
double top. Again,
okay,
we have to
maybe a double.
expect, we have to wait for the price reaction in this area.
Okay, what's that low? 108.50 or something?
1 second.
Yeah, it's a previous low.
1.87, like
70.
more or less.
Okay.
More or less.
So maybe a little
it's
stop,
possible.
maybe a little stop hunt under that low.
Yeah,
is possible.
maybe
It's hard for me to
the
believe they're
shadow
not going
can
to go for.
overpass it.
Yeah,
But the bodies have to be up on this
in it.
level to
Okay.
make a double bottom.
Okay.
And
Great
and
look.
that's what I have for you.
All right. Well,
All the
now's a good.
scenarios right now.
Okay. Well, now's a good time to show how people could continue to follow you after hearing you for 20 minutes and want to hear you for the next 20 years. How did they do that?
Okay, this is my Twitter.
Because see, I'm already predicting your longevity in the business.
Yeah,
you might be around longer than the markets are open.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, that's your nightmare.
I think the markets will be open
forever,
more than I live.
Okay,
more
good.
Time.
Because people need to go through what we went through. Future generations have to go through what we've gone through. I think it's very good training for life. So, okay, there you go. There's Alba. You could follow her on Twitter. There's her handle. And you have, you also have a website too, don't you, or a blog spot?
Yes, I have several websites because one is my blog, and my two blogs. One is about the wolf waves.
Okay.
The other is like more analysis and some articles about, in general, about trading and stocks and all and everything. And my project is that it's a trading room, but they are all in Spanish. I'm going to put it here. It's Sala para Traders.
What's a translation, Sarah Powell?
Trading room, like trading room.
Okay. Community.
Room for traders. It's a community. Yeah. We share in real time our trades and views of the market. We make also directs and everything. They have material to study and everything.
Okay.
It has to post, but they are in Spanish also only.
Okay.
So if anybody interesting, just ask me.
All right.
And that's everything.
Okay. You are everything, Alba.
Thank
you. So really appreciate your time today. It's a pleasure always. I root for you, Alba, and I hope that 2020 is your best year in the markets and in every other area of your life.
Thank you very much, Dave. Same for you.
Thank you. So everyone, that's Alba.
Thanks.
Follow her at Albitamix and check out her wolf waves. Maybe she'll mentor me one day on this stuff. And except it's hard.
Indenia. When you come to Spain.
Yeah. When I come to Spain, although it's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. But appreciate her being with us, and we'll see everyone for Turnaround Tuesday. Alba gave you some great looks on Swiss yen and the Swiss and potential in the S&Ps, and we'll see how things unfold in the days and weeks ahead. Remember, everyone, don't just count your pips, count your blessings, and we'll see everyone for Turnaround Tuesday. Good hunting this week, Alba. Thank you again for being with us.
Thank you, Dave. Thanks.
All right. Adios.
Bye.
Bye-bye.